Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this really cute miniature Barbie office. I started with a full sheet of poster board and cut it down to 14 inches tall. Next I went in about 10 inches from each side, cut a line vertically, but not all the way through the board so I could bend it. Next, I cut out a small window. Then I took some blue scrapbook paper and wallpapered the two outside walls. Next, I picked a pretty blue patterned paper for the wallpaper for the center wall. I then framed out the window. I took some white scrapbook paper and covered the lower portion of the wall to create a wall treatment. I then went in with thin strips of the same paper and glued them vertically just to finish it off. Next, I took two thin strips of poster board and glued them on to create a shelf. I then went back and glued on a smaller strip of poster board underneath just to finish them off. Then I measured out the floor and covered it with a wood grain scrapbook paper. And I took 3 jumbo popsicle sticks, cut the ends off, and glued 3 together flat to make the back. Then I took 2 more, one for each side, and glued them on. And then I took another stick, cut it in half, and used it for the top and bottom. Then I painted it a dark blue. I went ahead and glued the bookshelf to the wall, but I made sure to leave enough room underneath to clear the floor. Next, I took a thin piece of cardboard, folded it in half to make a chair form. I took some leather scrapbooking paper, cut enough to cover the cardboard twice. And then I actually used hot glue to glue 2 out of the 3 edges closed. I then slipped it over the cardboard and finished off the last edge. I then stole some solder from my husband to make the base of the chair. And I used this little box to kind of form it around, get the shape right. Next, I cut out the top for the desk and covered it in wood grain paper as well. I cut strips of poster board for the legs and then made a frame underneath just to sturdy it up. And here's the finished product. I brought in a few little accessories to finish it off, and I think it looks absolutely adorable. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.